Okay, let's find 30% off of $20. So how much are you getting off if you get a 30% discount on a $20 purchase? So the first thing is we change the percent here to a decimal. So we just divide the percent by 100. We end up with 0.30. So we could take our 30% here, divide by 100, and we get 0.3, same as 0.30. Now all we need to do is multiply that decimal by the original amount, the $20. So times $20, and we come up with 6. That's $6. So the amount off is $6. If we take the original price, that's the $20 here, and subtract, we see that our final price, what we pay after our 30% discount, that's $14. So you save $6, you end up paying $14 when you get 30% off a $20 purchase. That's it. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.